So this is a very big day for me. I'm here at the Lord Mayor's Parade, the 13th of November 2010, and we have a huge truck here, and I'm going to paint a Morgan card for the company. And we have a band playing LSD on CIA and a DJ, and you see the convoy has like hundreds of trucks trying to getting ready to go through London and show off what they can do. There's the military, there's different organizations, and I'm not quite sure what the Lord Mayor's Parade is about, but some sort of English tradition.
You can't have is what you get. There's no limits or control for her.